Hello, my name is Abhiram M. The day I saw my math score of 688, I felt that all my hard work had paid off. This journey has been a lot, from gaining valuable hands-on experience during my internship at iFocus Systec, a software company based in Bangalore, to attending the recent PGPIRE Conference at GIBS Global Campus. Meeting Revati Kamath at the conference was truly inspiring. Her words deeply resonated with all of us, adding a new dimension to our learning. The biggest boost came from GIBS Business School, who recognized my efforts with a scholarship of Rs 35,000. To me, this isn't just a scholarship, it's a huge vote of confidence. Thank you GIBS for believing in my potential and making this journey so rewarding.